Hey people, welcome to my YouTube channel. And it's been 2 months, I think. I did not complete the playlist, so just wanted to complete it before things go out of hands. Okay, so today, okay, give me a minute. Let me check if I'm live or not. Yep, I am live. Let me check my voice. Yeah, it's good. So, the plan was to complete this playlist, basically SQL 50 problems both in SQL and in Pandas. So today's problem number is, I think, problem number 39. Okay, and it says restaurant growth. Okay, so I will be taking help of GPT to understand the solution, to make you understand the solution, and then we'll move forward to Pandas. Okay, so we have table name customer with the columns name, customer ID, name, visited on, and amount. You can also see the data type here: int, varchar, date, and again int. Okay, and if you see in SQL, customer ID visited on is the primary key for this table. So these two are the primary key. Okay, and this table contains data about the customer transactions in a restaurant. Okay, so visited on, the date on which the customer with customer ID has visited the restaurant, amount is the total paid by the customer. Okay, so straightforward details. And what this is, you are the restaurant owner and you want to analyze possible expansion, and there will be one customer every day, at least one customer. Okay, now we need to compute the moving average of how much the customer paid in 7 days window. Okay, current day plus 6 days before. Okay, average amount should be rounded to 2 decimal places. Okay, and restaurant return the result table ordered by visited on, in ascending order. So basically I think visited on is the date. Yeah, so we need to put the date into ascending order. Okay, and if you see the data here, we have the customer table with the customer ID, it is jumbled up, and name, visited on, and amount. Okay, and if you see the output, uh, on the date 7, the amount is 860. Okay, so if you see on 7/1/2019, it is 860 because they have taken the average of last 6 days, I believe. Okay, and 8 is 840, and 9 it is 840 again, and 10 it is 1000. Okay, cool. Let's see how they have. Okay, they have also given the explanation. So if you see first moving average from 2019 1/1/2019 to 7/1/2019, so it should be from 1/1/2019 to, yeah, I was correct. Okay, so these, from here. Okay, so has an average amount of 100. Okay, see, if you see last is 150 and starting is 100, so it is correct. And upon 7, which is 122.86, that they have returned as, what you can say, rounding up to 2 decimal places. Similarly for others they have done. Okay, now for second, if you see, they have considered 110. So basically it goes one step ahead, 110, and it will be till 80. Okay, if you see, and similarly we need to follow it. Okay, so yeah, so the solution goes like this. If you see, select, okay, we need the output in this format: visited on, amount, and average amount. So select visited on, amount. Okay, amount is straightforward, and round amount of 7/2, which is the 2 decimal places, as the average amount. Okay, from select distinct visited on, so we don't want the duplicates of date. And then what we are doing, sum of amount over order by visited on. Order by, in the sense we are ordering it, these are nothing but the rank functions. Okay, sum of amount over, and range between interval of 6 days preceding and current row. So what does it, this suggests is, preceding 6 rows you need to consider, and the current row we need to find the sum. Okay, and this is basically the amount which we get here. Okay, this amount. And then what we're doing, min of visited on over first date. Okay, so this I think we will understand it by ChatGPT. Okay, so that the idea is clear. Okay. Mm, okay, explain with example. Example. Okay, because I don't want you people to make uh, get the confusion from this. Okay, so basically, if you see the inner query calculates, so this is the inner query. Okay, this entire thing. Okay, min of visited on in the sense the minimum date, that is basically the start of the date over first date. Okay, so let's understand this. Okay, over first date in the sense we are creating a column alias which is like the first date we are considering, and visited on should be greater than first date plus 6. That means we are calculating it today, so today's date is greater than what you can say prior 6 days, right? Or the min of first date, that is the first day plus 6, like that. Okay, so if you see this creates basically the rolling sum that you understood. Okay, and this gets the earliest recorded date from the customer table. So basically this is the earliest date, and where it in this where clause it ensures the calculation start only from the 7th day, avoiding incomplete 7-day windows. Okay, so this basically checks that we have the 7-day window. Okay, and outer query it gives us like basically the output columns. Okay, so hope this is clear now. So basically, to sum it up, we get like these things as the output columns from the inner query. So distinct visited on is directly the visited on, and sum of amount is the rolling sum, and this condition where visited on it is basically checks that the window is of 7 days. Okay, so if I run this, it accepts it, and let me submit this. Hope it accepts it. Okay, later. So a solution got accepted. You can also check for other solutions here, but I would recommend you to solve it by your own methods. Okay, now to go back for pandas. Okay, let's keep the description open. So if you see, we're grouping it by visited on so as to remove the duplicate dates, and then we are giving a sum and a reset index. So basically we're creating customer dot group by visited on and sum. Okay, so this creates like the sum column. Okay, and then customer. Okay, let me return this to understand. I am not sure. Okay, let's see, where is my cursor? So that, okay, so what we will get from this? Okay, let's see. Okay, so if you see our output, it is visited on. So basically this is visited on, hmm, which is the group. Okay, so 1 2 3 4, I think this is the group. Okay, so basically if you see, what is the reset index? Okay, let me take help of GPT here, because after so many days even I'm forgetting this. So sorry. Okay, okay, I know this is grouping basically on date, and then sum and reset index. Okay, okay, this means all rows with zero values will combine together to all numerical. Okay. So for all the numerical columns, basically let's see a date column where it is duplicated. mm, there is no duplicate date. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, and 100 is the same, I think. Okay, if you see 130 plus 150, it is taking 10. Okay, it is 1. Okay, and it is 280. So basically 100, 200, and 280. So this is where it is, what it is doing, making this sum. Okay, so this line is clear, right? Now let me comment this part and uncomment these parts. Okay, now customer dot average amount basically creates a new column which is average amount, customer dot amount dot rolling. So basically this is our rolling amount. Okay, which is this. Okay, sorry, I think this is the rolling amount. Yeah, because it is rounding up to 2, and it is the mean and window 7. And lastly the customer dot amount or rolling window 7, and directly the sum. Okay, now customer dot drop NA visited on. Okay, wherever there is NA, okay, I mean null values, it is dropping, and we are selecting only these 3 columns. Okay, so hope this is clear. Okay, so our test, I think our solution got accepted. I'm submitting it. Okay, let me check this. Wait. Okay, so all the test cases passed. Okay, so hope the idea is clear, and if you still have any doubts, do comment out in the comment section. Okay, I will clear them in either the video or the comment section itself. Okay, so hope you learned something from this video. If you do like, share, subscribe, and also share this playlist with your friends. Okay, so yeah, till then, take care, bye bye.